Good morning, children. Today in triangles, we are going to discuss about the areas of similar triangles. Let us see about the theorem 6.6. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. If two triangles ABC and PQR are similar, then the ratio of their areas is equal to square of their ratio of the corresponding sides. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ the whole square, or BC by QR the whole square, or AC by PR the whole square. That is, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Let us solve exercise 6.4 by using the theorem 6.6, that is areas of similar triangles. Question number 1. Let triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. If EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, find BC. Solution. Here it's given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Then area of triangle ABC is 64 centimeter square. Area of triangle DEF is equal to 121 centimeter square. EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter. We need to find the side BC. Since the triangles ABC similar to triangle DEF, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC by EF the whole square. Because here EF is given, we have to find BC. They are the corresponding sides. So the ratio of the similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Here area of ABC and area of DEF and side EF also given. If we substitute the value in the given equation, we get 64 by 121 is equal to BC by 15.4 the whole square. Taking square root on both the side, we get 8 by 11 is equal to BC by 15.4. By cross multiplication, we get BC is equal to 8 into 15.4 divided by 11. So BC is equal to 8 into 1.4, that is equal to 11.2 centimeter. Therefore, the side BC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. Question number 2. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. If AB is equal to 2CD, find the ratio of the areas of triangles AOB and COD. Solution. ABCD is a trapezium where AB parallel to DC. Diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at the point O. AB is equal to 2CD, it's given. We need to find the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB and COD. In triangle AOB and COD, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. They are alternate interior angles because AB parallel to DC. Similarly, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, alternate interior angles. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. They are vertically opposite angles. So in triangle ABC and triangle COD, three angles are equal. Therefore, the triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD by AA similarity criterion. Since the two triangles are similar, now we can find the ratio of their areas. According to the theorem 6.6, area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD is equal to square of their corresponding sides, ratio of their corresponding sides. That is AB by CD the whole square. That is equal to AB square divided by CD square. We know that AB is equal to 2CD. Therefore, in the numerator, we get 2CD the whole square divided by CD square. 2CD square become 4CD square divided by CD square. In this, CD squares get cancelled. Therefore, area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD is equal to 4 by 1. Therefore, the required ratio is 4:1. That is the ratio of area of triangle AOB and triangle COD is equal to 4:1. Question number 3. In the given figure, triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at O, show that area of ABC divided by area of DBC is equal to AO by DO. Given that triangle ABC and DBC are on the two triangles on the same base BC, AD intersect BC at O. Here we need to construct two perpendiculars, AL perpendicular to BC and DM perpendicular to BC. That means draw AL perpendicular to BC and DM perpendicular to BC. Proof. In triangle ALO and triangle DMO, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. They are vertically opposite angles. Angle M is equal to angle L, that is equal to 90 degree by construction. Triangle ALO similar to triangle DMO by AA similarity rule. Since two angles are equal, triangle ALO is similar to triangle DMO by AA similarity rule. Since the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So AL by DM is equal to AO by DO. Let it be equation number 1. If two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are proportional. We know that. Now we can find the ratio of the two triangles ABC and DBC. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC, that is equal to 1 by 2 into BC into AL. That is BC is the base and AL is the altitude. Similarly, in the denominator, 1 by 2 into BC into DM. Here the base BC is same for both the triangles. Now 1 by 2 and BC will get cancelled. Then we'll be getting AL by DM. That is area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to AL by DM. But we know that from equation 1, AL by DM is equal to AO by DO. If we substitute equation 1 in this equation, we get area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO, because AL by DM is equal to AO by DO, hence proved. Question number 4. If the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. Solution. Given that two triangles ABC and DEF are similar and equal in area. To prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, let ABC and DEF are two triangles. They are similar. To prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, it is given that area of triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equal. They are similar with equal areas. Now by using the theorem 6.6, we have area of ABC divided by area of DEF is equal to BC by EF the whole square. That is the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So we get BC square by EF square. Since the areas are equal, BC square by EF square is equal to 1 because the areas are equal. Now by cross multiplication we get BC square is equal to EF square. Therefore BC is equal to EF. Their square roots also equal. Since the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, their corresponding angles are equal. They are equiangular. So angle B is equal to angle E. Angle C is equal to angle F. Now in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle B equal to angle E. Angle C is equal to angle F. Side BC equal to EF. To one side and two angles are equal and the side is the included side. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by ASA congruence rule. Question number 6. Prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. Solution. Given that in triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, AX and DY are the medians of the sides BC and EF respectively. We need to prove that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to AX by DY the whole square. That is AX square divided by DY square. Proof. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, it's given. Therefore, AB by DE is equal to BX by EY. Their corresponding sides are proportional. Let it be equation number 1. In triangle ABX and triangle DEY, angle B is equal to angle E because triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, their corresponding angles are equal. AB by DE is equal to BX by EF, that is from equation 1. Therefore, triangle ABX similar to triangle DEY by SAS similarity criterion. Since these two triangles are similar, AB by DE is equal to AX by DY. Let it be equation number 2. As the areas of two similar triangles are proportional to the squares of the corresponding sides, we get area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB by DE the whole square. But AB by DE is equal to AX by DY from equation 2. So we get AX square by DY square. That is, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding median also. Question number 7. Prove that the areas of the equilateral triangle described on the side of a square is half the area of the equilateral triangle described on its diagonal. Solution. Given that ABCD is a square, equilateral triangle ABC is described on the side AB of the square and an equilateral triangle ACF is described on the diagonal AC. So here we have ABE and ACF are two equilateral triangles. One is on the side, one is on the diagonal. To prove area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ACF is equal to 1 by 2. That is, the ratio between these two triangles is equal to 1 by 2. Now in right triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. Since all sides are equal in a square, we have AB square plus AB square is equal to AC square. Therefore, AC square is equal to 2AB square. Let it be equation number 1. Now, each of triangle ABC and triangle ACF are equilateral triangles, and therefore they are equiangular, and hence they are similar. We know that all angles of equilateral triangles are equal to 60 degree. Therefore, all equilateral triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle ACF. Since they are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ACF, that is equal to AB by AC the whole square, that is AC square by AB square by AC square. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their square of their ratio of their corresponding sides. So here we have AB square by AC square. We know that from equation 1 we get AC square is equal to 2AB square. So substitute equation 1 in this equation. We get AB square divided by 2AB square. That is AC square is equal to 2AB square. AB square getting cancelled, then we get 1 by 2. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ACF is equal to 1 by 2. It means the area of triangle ABC is equal to half of the area of the triangle ACF. Question number 8. Tick the correct answer and justify. ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. The ratio of areas of the triangles ABC and BDE is, 4 options are given, children. Solution, we need to find which is the correct answer. Here triangle ABC and triangle BDE are two equilateral triangles. D is the midpoint of BC. Since D is the midpoint of BC, BD equal to DC is equal to 1 by 2 BC, that is half of BC. Let each side of equilateral triangle R 2A. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDE, it's given. So area of ABC divided by area of BDE is equal to AB by BD the whole square. That is AB square by BD square. AB is equal to 2A. Therefore, BD is equal to A because half of BC is A. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So, AB is equal to BC. Therefore, BD is half of AB also. So, 2A the whole square divided by A square, we get 4A square by A square. A square getting cancelled, then 4 by 1. Therefore, the required ratio is 4:1. That is option C is the correct answer. Thank you, children.